Okay, so here, this car.
It sounds like
It's 72, and now it is really, really loud.
it's hours, Mom.
This is crazy. It's on mode.
So it's
Here,
definitely
do it again.
the
So they
higher
can-
the rear. Put it back. Look. This is rear settings.
rear settings. Okay.
So the higher the fan, the louder it is for the rear settings. But if you switch the front, the higher it is on the front, and it gets quieter. It's the rear settings.
Okay, stop. So the rear, the higher fan setting on the rear, the noise is louder, as you can hear. And for the front, okay, honey, change it to the front. The front, the higher, the less noise, and the lower the fan speed, the greater the noise. It sounds like it's about to break.